If pharmacology still feels random to you, this video might completely change that. Because once you understand agonists, antagonists, and receptors, drugs stop feeling impossible. Let's start with the basics. Think of receptors as locks on a cell, and drugs, they are the keys. When the right key fits into the lock, something happens in the body. That's how drugs work. They either turn something on or block something from happening. Now let's talk about agonists. Agonists are drugs that turn receptors on. When an agonist binds, it activates the receptor and causes a response in the body. A simple example is albuterol. It activates receptors in the lungs, helping the airways relax so patients can breathe easier. Now let's switch to antagonists. Antagonists are the opposite. They bind to receptors, but they block them. Think of it like the wrong key fitting into the lock. It goes in, but nothing happens. An example is beta blockers. They block beta receptors in the heart, slowing the heart rate and lowering blood pressure. So here's a simple way to remember it. Agonists turn things on, antagonists turn things off. Once you understand this, pharmacology stops being random and starts making sense. Now tell me, which part of pharmacology confuses you the most right now? Drugs, receptors, or side effects? If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what pharmacology topic confuses you most. And for more simplified NP exam prep and exam resources, visit shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com.